What's up, everybody? This is Corey J from Corey J's Boutique, and welcome back to my channel. First of all, y'all, Happy New Year. It is 2020, and I'm coming to y'all with the first episode of KJ's Color Bar series. So 2 weeks out of the month, I'm going to color hair for you guys, and it's going to be another episode from KJ's Color Bar series. So today we're going to be using Sky Blue and Sweet Mint in Adore dye, and we're going to water dye a blonde wig from Corey J's Boutique. So here you'll see me putting the water inside of the sink as usual. Of course, I boiled the water, and of course I am adding salt because the salt allows the color to stick to the hair. Now that I've added that salt, I'm going to go ahead and add some more hot water from my sink. And then I'm going to start with the sky blue because I want the wig to actually be a sky blue. But I want to add that tint of the Sweet Mint. Is just a really cute color. So I'm just adding a little to that as well. Once I'm done adding all the color, I'm going to mix it and test a strip of blonde hair. Always test before you guys color. That is the best way to not ruin hair and waste your money. Make sure you test the hair. So I'm testing to make sure I like the blue, and I did like it. So I'm going to go ahead and show y'all how I water dye it now. So now that the hair is fully submerged in the dye, I'm going to leave it there for probably a day and then show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. Surprise! Okay guys, so actually I'm going to teach y'all how to layer colors, okay? So first thing you do is you water dye the hair the color that you want. You let that hair sit, as I did, and then you let the hair air dry. Do not wash it, do not condition it, just let it air dry. And then you go back and then you place colors on top that you want to be able to come through the hair. And usually you dye the hair a lighter color in the water and then go back and dye it darker colors. So here I did a royal blue at the bottom, and then I'm going through and doing magenta at the top. I'm not doing all of the hair by any means. I'm just doing enough for it to create some gradient and some high and low lights in the hair. It's going to be really cute. So just watch and see when it's finished. Okay, so just to touch on the technique that I'm using, honestly, I'm just going through and putting the color on the hair. And at first I was using the comb to make sure the hair dye was spread evenly across the board, and also that it was getting on each part of the hair. But as I got to the top, I did thinner pieces. So that's why I started to do it with my hand. So instead of using the comb, I used my fingers at the top to spread the color out and make sure that it's, as you can see right now how I'm spreading it, you know, that it was in a gradient instead of just being like going from one color to another abruptly. That's going to look crazy. So just make sure you all use a comb or your fingers to spread the color out. All right, ladies, so this is what the hair looks like after it has been dyed. I let it sit for about 24 hours. I washed it, and then this is what it looks like after a little conditioner. This color is beautiful. It turned out very beautifully. It's very layered, and I am very pleased with my outcome. So I hope you ladies are able to try it and successfully do it. Sorry, successfully, I mean. And now I'm going to show you what it looks like completely dry. So y'all forgive me for this messed up format. I apologize that I did not format this correctly, but here are the finished results. It is air dried. The wig is beautiful. The color is amazing. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel for more videos. Follow me on Instagram at Corey J's Boutique. DM me if you guys want to order any hair or book me for an appointment. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Next Friday, tune in.